Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Piece. Today, I am going to be covering a haul. You know, on this channel, I'm doing one of two things. I'm either making something or hauling something. And so, like I said, it's going to be a haul. In fact, it's going to be an Ollie's haul. I went to Ollie's in Little Rock, Arkansas, I believe. And these are some of the things that I was able to find. This is a beautiful foil paper. I think someone else showcases on one of their channels. This was $2.99. There are 10 in this particular pack. It's called Gold Animals. I'll be candid with you, it's not paper, it's actually cardstock. Really, really pretty. I think this would be lovely for Christmas. I picked up these, let me turn on the other side. I picked up these transfer sheets for light or dark fabrics. They were $1 a package. There are 10 in the package. I think this is really good. Like I said, you guys know, I don't want to keep doing the spiel, but I do sublimation and other things too. I think these would be wonderful for those little items that I need sometimes. I happened to find this item in kind of over in the book section. It wasn't really like in the craft section. And here's the thing about them. I found 5 of these. The only thing is they don't stay closed. And so it's a full little kit here. It's really for kids, if you ask me. So cute, so adorable. Now, the front says, "Are you magical?" I'm not really concerned too much about this because I can always use my cinch and redo a cover for this. Somebody might like it, I don't know. It's cute though. It has all of these little wonderful pieces in it. It was $1. Just can't keep it closed, that's the problem. All right, I'll sit this over here somewhere. Figure out a way to tape it up. Found these washi tapes. I don't really know. Well, these are Heidi Swapp washi tapes. I did not realize it at the time that I picked it up, believe it or not. But there are 2 in a package. These were $1. I didn't realize it at the time I picked it up. I really didn't. Okay. I got these Sticko stickers. It's 39 in a pack. So cute. So cute. I wonder, okay, it doesn't have it on the back, but this was nice. I got this Amy Tangerine Brave and Bold Craft Blank Notebook. So it has 2 notebooks in here. I think this is so cute. I really do. $1. So cute. A lot of people have hauled this, but I was able to come across these. I think this is going to be lovely, especially when I do like some of my junk journal kits. I can put this in there so people can use this to however they choose. But this was cute. I like these. I got these. I have some of these individually, but I was so excited when I came across the K & Company 10-piece key sets. I just love this. I really do. I love this a lot. So I picked up several of these. It's not on here, but it was only $1. I thought these were adorable. I got these alphabet stickers. I love the gold on here. Now I know a lot of people are saying, what am I going to use these poster stickers for? But you can use them for a lot of different things. I just love how they look. So I got several of these and it's 97 in a pack. I got these, they're cute. I have grandbabies. Whenever it's time for them to work on their school projects, this is gonna be cute too, 97 pieces. I just love these are cute. I picked up this cut up small trimmer, $1. I picked up a couple of these. I might use these for like a giveaway. I found this Heidi Swapp mini inserts pack. There are 3 in here. I only found 1. It was $1. I only found 1 of these, but I like it. I really do. I'll probably end up keeping this one for myself, but I like this a lot. Y'all, I found these Winnie the Pooh, classic Winnie the Pooh stickers. These are just so cute. I could not leave them. These are just so adorable. These are so adorable. Wow. Where were these from? I don't even know. These are just, so nostalgic. I just love these. This American Craft Memory Planner. This is so adorable. $1. This is so cute. I found We Are Memory Keepers. This is a small one, the 4x4, $1. And it has these little inserts in it. This is just, I just really like this a lot. This is so cute. I was able to find Project Life, All About Me, binder. There's nothing in it, it's just this. And I can live with that, I'm okay with that. It's $3.99. This was just, I just like this. I was glad I found it because I have a lot of Project Life pieces. And even if I want to do a giveaway, I at least want to give people a binder. This is so cute. I don't know where to put this. Okay. I picked up a paper making kit a while back. Well, when I went in there today, they had this tag and envelope template. Tag and envelope template, forgive me. $1. Of course I grabbed it. And these are the templates that you can use when you're making your handmade paper. I just love this. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I found this parasol. I guess this is stickers. I think these are stickers. Maggie Holmes parasol stickers. These are nice. I like these. These Heidi Swapp frames, embellishment frames. These were so cute. These were so cute. These are cute to me. These are cute. I found these Heidi Swapp tags. Oh my goodness, I almost tripped over myself trying to get these. In terms of paper, because I picked up several Jen Hadfield scrapbook pages. I found this Jen Hadfield scrapbook sheet. I got a few pages of this. It's double-sided. I think it's just cute, whimsically cute. I like it. I found this Chamel Energy. Let me move some stuff around. Chamel Energy, well, main character energy scrapbook pad. I'll do a quick flip through. It's one-sided. I'll show you the back of it in just 1 second. It seems to be quite colorfully cute. Oh, I love butterflies. I really, really do. I love that. These are cute. So I can see that it starts to repeat itself. I think you're getting 2 sheets of each type. So here are the pages that are in this particular paper pad. And you get 48 sheets. This was $1.99. I almost passed out. I found Jen Hadfield Flower Child. There are only 24 sheets in here. It's a project pad, but if you recall, I picked up several of the Flower Child card making kits a while back, and I'm really trying to secure as many of these as I can, because I would love to be able to pair these with that if I could, but if not, I understand. I'm okay with that too. There are 244 pieces in here. It's so cute. It's got some regular sheets in here. Then these are, they're kind of like, are they stickers? I'm not sure. They might be stickers. They kind of feel like they are. These are pretty. These are pretty. These are nice. Okay. I got some jewels. These are textured. Park Lane. This is a nice weight of paper too. These are pretty. I love the color hues. It's just good paper. You know, this is just a really nice, good paper pad. Really is. Let me see. I need to kind of start maneuvering a few things here. I found some Draper James wrapping scrapbook paper. Well, it's really wrapping paper, but we use it for whatever we want to. Now, this was a little more than what I normally would want to pay for a pad of paper or any paper. It's only 12 sheets in here. But it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. It's $3.99. It's just so pretty. And then it gives you tag page included. Look at this. So I see if I can scrap, you know, I don't want to take it loose, but here's the tag page right here. So you can see that. And I know they're a little shiny. It's wrapping paper, but we can always take it and make it not be shiny. But I mean, I just like the whole display of it all. The packaging, everything. Okay? I found Maggie Holmes crepe paper, sunny days, chipboard stickers. I was so happy. I did not know what in the world to do. I was so happy with this. And I understand not everyone is a Maggie Holmes fan, but these still are really, really nice to have. And I got them. They're so cute. Okay? Sit that right there. This is something that I snagged this, and I intend to probably give. I got a couple of these because I intend to give them away for maybe Christmas gifts. I am a Bridgerton person. No, I have not found any Bridgerton paper pads. If I do, you will know because you'll probably hear me fainting on screen. You know, you'll hear me fainting. I'll say that. I found this Downton Abbey official cookbook gift set. Now, this was $6.99. You get the cookbook, you get the apron. This is pretty to me. I intend to give this to someone. I intend to give this to someone, and I purchased another one so I could put it in a giveaway at some point in time. I just thought this is just, I just don't know. It's just, I like it. I think it'll be a nice surprise at some point in time. Well, everyone, as I always say, thank you so much for tuning in to Paper Peace. This is my haul tonight. And I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you, and I hope you enjoy. Take care.